I see.
No question one thing in the open, but Dr. Bawumia has been doing a lot. Chairman, I can confirm to you, sir, we're making personal and private visits.
Personal and private.
We're making personal and private visits across Ninia, Kenya, Japan.
Really?
Yeah. And in a dinkomo kama akwechi as the new say yatu abewie to say the enterprise NPP no how are you beating me so no akaye ho abom at the party no so akweni now uchemu echre yemu bia or say he left the meeting very satisfied say ninu no will genuinely also support him or say he has no reason to doubt because or say nkomo enye say unse ukona the cameras in the didi wachia Obi can think say be our just for the photo opportunity. But we all call himself.
Phobia
and apart from Nipa Bako our can
okay
and a bodyguard. Okoko din komo nini nuane twetwen komo yie. Nini nuane so dana se.
Abusia for me mamu nyina mo akwaba ediba Ghana and s0me so. But more this be like video na be subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so be next time videos of this nature ba also on sa ebitima kabi na also watch the wadwen or comment section wasa say the munim ne femi Mr. President na me wasa me besom na if by chance de me e ofe na person boan which are through number na wase no adaroma in sabeka na news today so ya nyina akoso ni beso pa so na another day I came across a video and I'm watching on social media. And it took me barely 4 hours to watch the video over and over again. Now, me share video no. I decided me for free. Me say politicians are disappointed Ghana mabunu. They be me say when you earn the goodwill of the people and you fail to acknowledge the fact that you've won the goodwill of the people, as a result of that, you have to be so much principled with it, they will rebel at the right time. In Kadia Nebe, I will say, youth of it, like youth or mind bimu, I don't more rebel politicians, not of a sudden, their wishes and their demands or the thing that they dream that they come to reality are only things of disasters.
I see.
No question one thing in the open, but Dr. Bawumia has been doing a lot. Chairman, I can confirm to you, sir, we're making personal and private visits.
Personal and private.
We're making personal and private visits across Ninia, Kenya, Japan.
Really?
Yeah. And in a dinkomo kama akwechi as the new say yatu abewie to say the enterprise NPP no how are you beating me so no akaye ho abom at the party no so akweni now uchemu echre yemu bia or say he left the meeting very satisfied say ninu no will genuinely also support him or say he has no reason to doubt because or saying komo enye say unse ukona the cameras in the didi wachia Obi can think say be our just for the photo opportunity. But we all call himself.
Phobia
and apart from Nipa Bako our can
okay
and a bodyguard. Okoko din komo nini nuane twetwen komo yie. Nini nuane so dana say wahye ne nyam de bu so amano aba bechia no. Na omumienu na so no believe say the NPP is a better alternative to Niaiwom. You're about me, no, and check or sans so no echo a year Ninia Kwabeneje Japan, so. And also another private visit. And then it could deem como as a nianom. The omokache upon old time sake. And then campaign moon como. And how I say, yin na no mu ye, no. Or so no so babechia or madama say. A kono de ya co first one a year, but near die in song. They spent quite a lengthy time discussing the future of the party and how our supporters also can come on board. The same as on the Kenya Japan's on common. Now we yes also know I can also confirm to you say Osanso Kosra Ninia Dr. Yao say Duchum.
Okay.
So any din komo. Say no dini diema Ken, dini diema Kwabne Japan. Dr. Duchum so bon komo. Etwetwen komo kwetire. It discusses the future of the party and how are the supporters of all of them no. Ono ba mi ase so ba be da no no. Oba tampa oni omu na so be ye adwuma aboa ama party no so etime gina ne na so. Now, lastly, we no kwasra ninia Dr. Brian Champon. Inti Brian so any din komo. It discuss a party so she any party can go. Chairman of this in Sashay Bay somewhere last week. Now, so he's also now taking time or they strategize the next steps of his engagement, both within the party and outside the party. In these few weeks you won't be seeing him say open Nema. But behind the scenes he's engaging serious stakeholders, elders of the party, former contenders, any party in penny form can be a woman.
Now I didn't know any private and personal. I'm taking from your words.
Yes, private and personal because Chairman said me but maybe round them not say me the cameras near the bar and common bo almost.
Yes.
One me yadwin.
Me too.
Inti na bi wo ho no zna me ne wa ba ye kan ntem asem. Bibi wo ho no ma ebi e wo makoma mu a me ka kirew. Osu wo wakoma mu a be ka kire bi wi a ye na so to adwin on the next step. So that's why many of his engagements now no or ye no behind the scenes. But when na e course no the party itself a reorganization. Party no reorganization and I am no say ye bi mu a ye se forms say ye polling station forms in ade no. The various constituencies in the party no betimi amayensa kwa kokani ade. The party after polling station be electoral area, after electoral area be constituency, be region, be national. So whereas a party no go through on one necessary processes no, the flag bearer too is not going to be sleeping. Or be many of the engagement. Chairman, elections are all quite more of strategy. And money be a year 2024 no, nyini na na be 20 year going into 2028. You be wo no mo an komoni bi wo no mo engagements ni bi wo no mo enya de be ba bedwam na so ni na na for the betterment of your GDC strategy towards 2028. So you'll be engaging several groups, you'll be engaging several people,
okay,
both within without going into details both within and outside the party. So, and from Accra to Paga, if you want to offer shine and offer from Edeko Ebia Etifin Mantemwa or Beko so Akochuch and Sam Community. And obey win near and San and Ray Simono or the Nano December to ja.
And to your conscience and to the people of Ghana. Nyankopo obetua okanomaaye enim guasie na betu kopim so bewu. Say when who Nyankopon mercies on your life. Say rade di wo boni kakraka we say wode achew. Na nne wu ba be lead Ghana for astray be ka kire yen say ba ye busa jo mahama question. So for rade begu weni mase. Na rade enim guasie no e na afi asie yi. Nse na yakode gew. Enne usi yakode gew. Me show say few ochina ba videos ni na be ba beda national reconciliation videos no ba beda bontin etu anu so ni dia no nabusua osofo Lawrence Tete evangelist Lawrence Tete so ya medra so ya wudifo so ya wudifo mo obi nkasa bi me hu mfa
obi be kasa bi na me ba
wenti anhweyam na sika ma pawo hwe nim se won betimi atua no na ebusua won atua ema na brosom won mo hyase se won mo kyare won mo sem egu Ghana ban eso na nipa ya won masede won masodie sem saa sika won mo gigem eye Ghana Revenue Authority mpenifo to na ena oguso a wo gigem na wode som Ghana aban enti na no beto odwa se won mo tie atua ya kan ho asem pii ewo P7 kasa fidie som na eguso a ye kan ho asem na Ghana ba se watintie coalition meche wani am eye adwadifo nkabom kum traders advocacy group Ghana wo mo dia atodwa ya wo chese no ada.
So for Penny Lawrence Tete 2024 e kan ya kan biti a Catholic Bishops Conference say wo mo ye nya atwom e no mo nyina nkasa emfa LGBTQI+ no ho e na fa go si hen sa de na ye chiwade esese ya sorry e ma o kan ya ka say se man Penny Akufo Addo ansan sa bill no a obesim pam ono nko one man demonstration obesim e de seat of government a kire man Penny Akufo Addo say This nonsense must stop. Sabokai. And then there's of Penilo is that what's it in? In fact, LGBT nyawa nesem. One kasa o kasa se we no. Esa o kotena se. Wa wo tena se. Na wa bisa wo ho se. Wa bisa wo ho pa se dia asem a wo kan yi. Wa honim mu, wa dwene mu, wa disua mu, onti ase mu. Se president Akufo-Addo na tie kunwa so se Ghana mampani a. Enka de wo kan no nure. Sa na obeka no ana. De wo kan no nura no. Enka sa na obeka. Me ade ba kwa me mpekra wo me radio adwuma ma ye nyina mu ne se. Me mpese me ka sofo bia ho asem. Asofo asem me mpeka kra. It's very uncomfortable for me. Me nya ade a me kakra. But say wo nyame kwan na wo de ato ho no. Sa wo so ye sofo. Na wo beka no kra kire Ghana fo na nyame kwan trodo no eda wo asofo esese muhu no kra wei na mo kan na wo de ba be ye wo de be wada because wa ka se president Mahama ye wadamfo wo ye wo bi a wo ne no country musam ni ade ha me ni problem bia wo ho ba kanokre na ye hu se wa kanokre se de no a wo kan no bra na ban ba ko no kan sa ne me say me no dia nkan kwa me yeboa. At least I can speak for myself and my brother odia nkan kwa me yeboa. Me mfere ho da se meka se LGBTQI. Me time michi chi wade. Ma sorry a me ko me na me wagidie ka se me ma sorry a me ko Catholic no. Catholic chiri ye time sa de no. Bon samode se be ma se ma me kwan na me nware be ma oba se ma me kwan ma me nware oba. The Catholic Church has been consistent. Said the Etienne Rano, sa while ye jina ne, and the Dachin in a while ye jina. Time wana Nana Sofopon, Joseph Osebunsu, Konongumampon, where President Ghana Catholic Bishops Conference, we spoke against it. And then under Nana Sofopon, Majukozi. We are still speaking against it. That is principle. Also, Lawrence said, and to what person say. The president Baku be wo there and the no kra e wo Bible no. But other person wo there no kra e wo Bible no. Ka wo ye din ananke ye. Wo ye din na kwa nka hwe ya nanke ye pa. Osafo se woni mu a ade Baku e wo ko so amanfo ka fa wo ho. Me ka mo atie anope se. Enra na social media so ma se wo pa o. Ye say abaya ti board bi a o mo na be hwe atonton state glass ni ade na oda board no so bi. Eno so ye da nyina ka eno ansem a after we eba social media no so and the sentence papa bo modern na issue statement say sa asem na de anya no kre ba we de wo kan de video de wo ho ye nyina ate say wo say my emfa LGBT nyama nyosem so on say president Mahama be kan kire ye say enye priorities esi a owie na Felix Kwachi ofosu be kan say LGBT no enye priority mayen and I also de abeto so say me fine ahwoden na wo de condemn ye time na president Akufo-Addo tie akonwa so no sa ahwoden na nka sofo pani Lauren Tete obi ebuwo na me hwe se ka de sa ahwoden be kasa a president Mahama say obua ora eye priority magana for so ade na ye 20 priority 2024 then ye bedu 2026 the enye priority biom ade mo bisa e ho sa asem no
Peace FM.
Fan kwa na dwindwin mu o koda adwene wo ho ensem a me bobosi fa kwa dwindwin mu na bisa ho se NPP ti yesu ne ye ban yi a ye de ne nam ho adwuma ase ye adwuma ase ye nye me pa cho me bisa o ye nya power ye beba 2028 ohun abato na ye koto no enough from any ye kofa 2028 abato no e kashi akọ and that from any ye kofa it is a yan ye suban any ye lackadaisical attitude ya ye display here me pa cho me bi so ya ready for power because yan ye NDC sika wo mu pompe gu wo mu campaign mu 2024 ni ene Ah, what magic God, your friends, a ghost concession, you know. First all teams at 2028 election, you see Kabe Womu Papa. Then people for mu will be. The youth of this country, no, yan jane watching a beam. Ye frey and up and one that bang, the idea wenne, ye jedra, and on ye pay. And to be anyone while Baba in the future. Or bet me quite echo dinner, doctor, and chin, I'm so to Aba. At the end,
But said, "O Jan Yame, quine now, they are too hono. So also we are suffer. Now we can crash the Ghana for. Then Yame quine, don't know that was so for as a no could away, now can. Now they barbe yet, or they be wada because while I can say present, mamma, you are down for. Or you would be our no country with some